It's Saturday. Yeah, it is, right?
Okay, what do you...
Oh, I'm gonna have a cappuccino. You want anything?
Oh, the cappuccino as well, please.
2 cappuccino.
Yeah. So no.
No, 4, yep, 5. Because 5 coffee with tea. Yes, please. Yes, please. And you need a meat. I might be up to
You know what? $5 is $2.50 a good No, thank you. Oh, sorry.
I only brought 2 minutes of it. Did any of them, did you bring any of the ones later? Yeah, I brought a black one and a white one. Oh, and I got a yellow one. Oh, yeah, I already had it, so I thought that'll, yeah, you know, I had to tear down. I just think it's very beautiful. I'm happy with my black one. And all I'm saying is I gotta get that. I get it out here. Aww.
Then I go to Florida last year to my mom and dad's house.
Hammy, are you in there? Hammy! Yeah. I heard the bang and I thought that the people going up down the thing. She said there goes, did you hear your bang on the thing?
Yeah, I know, I was just You're funny. You're funny.
Trying to get hit sooner or later.
Thank God. We did that because we went going all of you for $400.
Light-headed blocking so far. He said you want to meet for breakfast at 7:30. 50 or something. And I say,
Taking the old batch tomorrow. Yeah.
Not even. Grab these in the wash, and this is about a $10 little travel clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't put the battery in.
Cool, and monkey.
Yeah.
Look before it disappeared. It's like
When the girl in the rose.
Took the band off.
Just to have it.
I bought.
Your store? Yeah. There's a store. Your shoes?
Man, yeah.
No. Just straight up.
Who's your leg?
Our ashtray is being used as a
I think he did end up going
Tripod.
over there, but I don't know what.
Pretty man, I'm surprised the grackles aren't around. I haven't seen any yet.
Watch along here in the afternoon, and anywhere there's a green, those green things.
Oh yeah.
Like, I'm just in this house here,
Oh yeah.
and they're all over the.
We don't know where we know where we are, but we're not staying where we are. We paid big bucks to get superior rooms, and they put us in this shithole.
I
We gotta get new rooms at noon, so we just got in last night. We don't know where anything is.
Best rooms are this house, and anything in this in the front there, the
Yeah.
16.
It's gonna be
but,
the-
I just put
they're
stuff in.
moving in a nice spot. I mean, one friend that's in the castle, they got a nice room.
Oh, okay, good.
We got more people coming in tonight from Saskatchewan, so.
All of them, like we're with a group of 6, they're all moving into here until the bus leaves. So they've got rooms at the front of the 16.
We'll wait. I got on the computer before we come here because we've never been here before, and there was some bad reviews, and the bad reviews were by this road. That's where we are.
Primo,
By the road.
y el mulatito
4 o'clock
acá,
this morning, the big trucks were all
Eh,
going by.
pues,
They try to come to places like this to load up and all that.
Llámalo ahí,
Oh, man,
saca un
it
grito
sounds
ahí.
like they're coming through the back door.
Not good.
Oh, wow. We got 2 weeks, we'll figure it
They're
out.
good. If we say we want a better room,
Yeah.
they're pretty
Well,
good.
they're doing it.
That's good.
They're doing it.
Good.
At noon, they're gonna take us to the rooms to make sure that we like them.
Perfect.
They already know we like them. We already know we're moving. I'll be able to get on pot. Got a toothbrushes out this morning, that's it. Thanks.
Yeah, I'm vacating. My room is at the second floor of this beach house here. So I'm out of there again.
The only thing that her dad's with us and he can't, he's gotta be on the bottom floor. They put him on the second floor, but they moved him last night right away, so they accommodated us on that anyway. So, like I said, if I had to stay where I am, I can survive. I got alcohol and some food. I don't care.
The ham and cheese sandwiches at the pool bar.
Yeah?
Fantastic.
Really?
Yeah. I think you can get french fries there too, right? French fries.
You really don't know where anything is if you haven't had a chance. Like I said, the time we got here last night, we had a few drinks and got our rooms.
Right at the corner of the resort, there's a place called Kiki's. They've got really good pizza.
I think a friend of mine told me about that. Like they've been here before, and he said, "Yeah, you need the resort." And go in and said, "Is it upstairs?"
Well, yeah, it's up some stairs. Just in a
Yeah,
building
it's
at the corner of
upstairs.
the
Yeah,
resort.
I remember that because a friend of mine told us that.
Yeah, there's another place. There's a Plaza American.
Okay.
It's like a mall. Kind of.
When the Al Capone goes down that way, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's not really.
I think that the Kiki's the one that my buddy was telling me about. So go to say, "Yeah, really good
The
pizza."
pizza's amazing.
Gotta be better than the pizza we had on the plane. It's nasty.
Pizza.
And always comes in with, before.
Yeah. Oh, it is. It's like the best pizza.
Had it?
No, but that's everything.